Hi, this is a quick introduction to ResearchRabbit, and what I'd like to show you is that you can start a new collection. You can import something from Zotero if you have it. I'm going to start with biophilic design, so as I click on this, what I've already created, you'll see I've got 4 articles that I pulled in, and that's by clicking Add Papers, and you can type in the title, DOI, or keywords. You can also upload files if you've got them from another reference manager. And so in this case, what's really nice is I can tell I've got some things that are a little old, some things that's a little new. I can click on similar work and it'll look to see what these 4 have in common, and it'll start to make a map for me. So the ones in green are the ones that I have. And one of the things we can start looking for is just first scrolling down to see if things are good. But I can also just say filter for, maybe I just want students. Who looked at things with students, and I noticed 2009, 2004, 2008. These are pretty good, but maybe I want something more recent. So I can switch to timeline, and now I can zoom in on this timeline and quickly check to see what's this paper by Lee, and it looks like micro breaks with green roofs. And it looked like it was looking at university students. So I can either decide that this is great or not. If I like it, I can add it to my biophilic design. And one of the things that I think is really interesting is I could look to see similar work from here and keep going through, or I can hop back to my original group, right? My original group of 4. It's now a group of 5. And now the similar work is going to be a little bit different. And I can start thinking of maybe I want to peek in on the abstracts. Maybe I want to put in college just to make sure I've got college students. Where to take breaks on campus. Interior plants might improve worker productivity. So this looked like a college computer lab. So let's look at that. We can read the abstract. And if we like it, we add it. So one of the things I really like about sort of hopping back, I could keep going, but by hopping back, I can start to see for these that I have, maybe I want to see what's the latest thing. So what's the later work? And it's of authors that are, there's multiple authors. And so what have they been doing lately? And so 3 field experiments on the effect of indoor nature. Remember, if I want to very quickly peek into the abstracts, I can see them right here. Easy to scroll through. They are almost all peer review work. They're not necessarily research, but we could do something like maybe I want to see if is there qualitative studies. Now we see biophilic design in office plantings, or the relationship between this. Maybe I just want to do research. The 3 field experiments from 2020. That seems like a really nice one. Potted plants. Although this research provides some support, it doesn't provide immediate effects. So I can already have a sense as to what I'm going to find when I read that. When I'm happy with this, I can take this. I can see the connections between the papers if I want. So it'll show how it looks like they are often citing each other and things like that. Obviously, Bogart is one of the main people who I found so far. I can sync this to my Zotero if I've got a Zotero account. And I can also export all these papers, the citations, via BibTeX, RAS, or CSV. For ones that are open, I can download the PDF right from it, but it's only for papers that are open access. So you can see every once in a while it's formatting looks a little weird, but I just wanted to have this quick introduction.